follow instructions. I know they pretty simple, straightforward. So we're gonna start with the base, and we're gonna put the legs on there. And yeah, so let's find these pieces. Okay, so we put the 4 wheels on first. And I'm just screwing them in. It came with the little wrench thing in the bag, so you can tighten it up. Okay, so once you put the put the wheels on, you're gonna cross those together, screw holes at the top so you can screw the pole on. And you have 2 different types of screws. You got long ones and you got short ones. So the short ones are gonna go in here. Now we're going to put the, I don't know what you call this, a little spinny thing. This is what helps your rack to turn. So I'm gonna put right on top of there. Yeah.
Can I help you?
No. Put that right on top of there. Now we gotta put the top part together, which is, it's a little bit easier if you got somebody to like hold the pieces for you, but.
Mom, but last time we helped you.
I know, but. Okay, put the base together over there, and now it's time to put the top together. So the side pieces have 2 holes at the top because the Braid Bestie name sign is going across the top of there. So that's how you know the side pieces. And then the other one is the one that goes on the back. And like I said, so let me see if you can see. So the slots right here that the panels slide into are going to go towards the outside on each one. That's the outside because the panels slide on the outside. And so the small bar is at the top where you have the opening to slide the panels in. The bottom is closed off. It's not like that. So I'm going to start screwing the bottom one on first. And the long screws are going to go in the bottom and around the sides. And we're going to use the short screws around the top row. So the short screws just going around the top because you got the bar is smaller around the top. So that's where the short screws go. So I'm going to start by screwing in the bottom one. Here, Riley. So I have my bottom shelf. And you know the front because the front doesn't have any screw holes. So that's going like that, basically. And I'm just going to start putting the screws in. I'm not going to tighten them all the way up. Now I got the bottom shelf screwed in. I'm going to screw in the middle shelf. And this is the middle one with the little square thing in the center of it. And the back of the shelf has the longer slots than the front. You see the front, it got a shorter piece. The back has the the longer slice.
Now you're gonna screw that in? Because I'm sure it wouldn't be able to hold with all that stuff and without screwing
Look over
it.
the top. Look over that. Hold this. And again, we're using the longer screws to screw this second shelf in. This is the front. So the middle shelf has a screw on the sides, right here at the front. And if you turn it around, the other holes are on the back, not the side, like the front. They're on the back. So I think that's what people were getting confused and said they couldn't line them up. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the top shelf on.
The top shelf,
Yeah.
which is basically just a roof.
It's basically a roof.
Yeah.
Mine left me. Okay, so the short screws, remember the short screws are going into the top. Okay, so you want to go back and make sure you screw the bars together. So you basically just got to find the big empty holes that's on here. Then put those in. Okay, once you get the whole piece together, you want to put it on top of the pole. Now you can slide the color panels in there before. Wait a minute. Wait. You can, that's loud. I'm sorry. You can slide the color panels in before or after you put that on there. Before you put this on top. And then you want to put your name plate on the front. And it came with 4 of these like push pin things. When you put the name on there, you literally just push it in there. Which I don't have my nameplate right now. I gave it away. So let me find another one. Right? I need another one. Name. I need another name piece. I have to take it out of that box. So I'm gonna put this in after. So now, take my pole, and I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna drop it on top of this pole. Is it?
Get this juice. Mama?
There we go. No, go. And now it's on there. Oh, and you need this pin right here. Oh, let's pull that out. I know I screwed in over here. Yeah, I gotta put that in there. I gotta tighten my few screws. I got this pin right here. And is a hole in the top of the pole. And you just stick this pin in there. And now, it's time for the fun part. Now I'm gonna show y'all the different color panels. So the black rack comes with black panels. And I have pink, purple, blue, and red that you can buy. So if you want to change the colors out. Little point of advice. Do not tighten all your screws up until you get to the end. Because you want to make sure you get all the holes lined up. So you just put them in a little bit. And once you get it all together, then you can go back and tighten them up. But don't do like me and forget. Forget to tighten some of these back up. Okay. So now, here's the front. Put your name panel on the front. Got the small holes. You just push the pin thing in there. That's it. And now I have the color options. So they just slide into the slots that's on here. Ooh, that's red. And we have, oh shit, I need to open that one. And I have blue. And I think all these colors look so good with the black and the white, right? A lot of people ordered white with pink. I think because those were the pictures that I was posting the most, was the white rack with the pink panels. So that's what everybody saw. And also everybody's favorite, the purple. So people ordered more pink and purple than any other colors. So mind you, the rack already comes with either the black one or the white panels. You can just switch these out. And also, if you want to get fancy, you know, go get your name put on there or the logo or something. And I'm going to get some lights to go inside my rack. So when y'all see it next time, I'm going to have some lights going on up in here. So this is the black with the red, blue, and purple sides. And we also have the pink. I like the black and pink. I think that looks super cute. I think that one stands out more. Oh, the blue is bright too though. Pink. I need another size. I'll put this pink one in here. Okay. Take the red one out. And they're easy to switch. You just pull them in and out. Red. And I'm gonna put the pink in here. When I post this, everybody who got racks about to go order in they color things, because a lot of people didn't order these. Okay, so we have the pink, the blue, and the purple. Y'all, and I think I'm about sold out of the black ones. I have white racks left, but y'all ran through the black ones. Okay, and the hooks, easy, just slide them in there. So each rack only comes with 24 hooks. So people keep messaging me like I'm missing some hooks, but they only come with 24, and that gives you some space to move them around a little bit. So maybe you want your scissors or some hair or something hanging, like packs hanging, then you can take some of them off. Or if you, depending on what type of hair you're working with, you just might want the space between the hooks so you don't have to have them all in there. So each rack only comes with 24 of these. You turn back around.
Now you're using blue and purple?
I forgot. Oh, I didn't have it. I was gonna say I forgot to press record.
I would help put those on.
I'm not putting all of